9 or 9:30.
I'm based 9 to 11.
No, I need to talk to you, love. Han, I need to FaceTime.
Call me 8. Why? You just want to be a scotch?
Good morning, Philippines!
4 freaking years. Like, clearly, obviously, they're trying to find some way to like get them unpacked stuff. 4 years going over the books. And they haven't found anything yet, so what does that tell you?
Good morning, everything. Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning po. And Tammy is busy this morning making some pancake. That's what he does the whole morning. And he fed the cats also. Nakahubad pa yung asawa ko, guys. Hubad. So anyway, so I wish we did put the whole utensils in here. I turn it on from the gathering. Are you gonna eat with me? He made pancakes early in the morning. And nagising ako, yun, pinakainan niya yung mga alaga namin. It's 7:47. It's 7:47 na ng umaga. Guys. Yeah. Nag-ano siya kasi nahiya. What did you put on top? Why you put butter? Huh? Lagyan nila ng butter, guys, kapag mag-ano sila ng pancake. So, aalis si Tammy this morning, mamayang hapon. I don't know what time he will leave, but punta lang siya sa isang bahay because and do you want me to give you some other coffee?
What?
You want me to give you other coffee? He's going to leave again dahil uulan. And I think mga 3 araw yung ulan. Is there any open sugar here? So, thank you, Han, for the pancake. I heard something, but I thought he's just cleaning the dishes when I wake up. I know, that's what I heard. You clean dishes. Ito, guys, kinuha ko to sa attic. Ilagay natin sa bedroom. Lagyan natin ng bulaklak. Pero maghanap lang ako ng magandang malagay dito. Tapos na kami kumain ng breakfast and stuff. Tapos, tignan ko lang ito. Ito, pugasan ko lang din. Maganda itong ilagay ganon. And then, lagyan ng bulaklak ganon. Mga fake ba? Fake na mga ano. Ito. Pugasan ko lang siya, guys. Kay biyanan po ito din. Oh, lahat naman ang gamit dito. Biyanan, ang Tammy. Sila dalawa talaga mga mahilig sa mga anik. Sa Pilipinas pa to, tubig ba? Pero ito, ginagamit ito pang decoration. Gano'n. Anyway, so this one also. Tammy, you're looking for to hang this, but you said I thought this one is it go with the string, like, you know, the hanger. No?
Yeah, it does go with a hanger, but I don't have a hanger. So I got a hanger somewhere.
Ihang doon sa kitchen.
I got a lot more of those things. Some Star Trek ones, some Elvis ones. I got 4 of them.
Like this? Where is it?
Good question. Could be an attic, could be a basement, I don't know.
Or this is good display in the kitchen like that. And then put flower, you know? It's weird. Ito talaga yung palagi kong nakakalimutan. Itong mga labahan ko, guys. Naglalaba pala ako ng blanket kahapon. Malaking blanket. Ang bango. Mga laba. Dry na sila. Ayaw ko munang i-transfer. Pero sobrang aga pa, guys. May mga ano pa si Biana na dinala ko dito. Mga magagandang kristal. Ilagay ko doon sa ibabaw. Dinala ko dito. Sabi pa ni Bianan. Hinahanap ni Bianan. Sabi pa niya, oh, asan yung crystal ko? Pinoprotektahan ko kasi maganda talaga siya, guys. Yung parang bowl. As in, malaki. Maganda siya sa pang display or pang gamit sa pag may mabisita, ganun. Handmade daw ito. Gusto kong magpunta sa Home Goods kasi ang daming mong mabibili na mga gamit sa bahay sa Home Goods at saka magaganda pa siya. And I think I'm going over there. I don't know when. Gusto kong magpunta sa Home Goods. This is an area. Is it raining, honey?
It's gonna any minute though.
But it's kind of foggy and kind of windy, kind of chillier now, right? Say good morning, everything.
Morning, everybody.
Everything. You're Mr. Everything, remember?
Morning. I'm saying good morning to myself then. How's that work? Morning, everything.
It's really not a good day, honey.
No.
He is just very busy with his phone. Me, I don't touch my phone since I don't touch my phone since last night.
Guys, if you glued the phone to her face, she wouldn't know it for a week.
Honey, why you say that?
Because she wouldn't try and take it away from her face for a week, and then she'd realize it was glued.
I'm gonna start
I'm
cleaning.
looking for another phone. Cause
What kind of phone you're looking
I
at?
don't know. Something not expensive.
Yeah, what kind? Second-hand Mac, Apple? Because
No.
it's easy to connect your Mac.
Yeah, but I need to get something that's 5G and inexpensive, so it won't be an Apple.
Samsung.
Samsung's not inexpensive either. Maybe a LG.
LG. Like Isabel used.
Is there an LG?
I think it's this.
I won't buy another blue because that one didn't last very
No,
long.
yeah. It's like,
It was,
don't
it was a
buy.
nice phone. While it lasted, it just didn't last very long. I wish you could still get a phone that you could change the battery on. I hate these battery shit.
Samsung can change battery,
No, not the new ones.
not the new ones.
No. They find there's a lot more money if you can't change the batteries.
And there's something in there again. Did you notice that?
I know. Not much I can do about it. If he did, he didn't get into where I closed it up, so he must have got into a little grate. There's not really much I can do about that.
I'm gonna start getting the guys, the garden, clearing up. This bird. Oh my god. He's calling somebody.
Yeah, well, they let the squirrels eat all their fucking food. And
Yeah.
There's a lot of food on the ground.
Look. Whining, hon. It's like hubs. Whining.
Yeah, well, with 10 pounds of food, and they let the squirrel just keep coming back.
It's over the
There's
blue
100 birds. They could get there and peck the squirrel in the head and make him leave.
Where did the squirrel jump?
He goes up the tree, he jumps on top of the thing, and he doesn't slide off.
Oh my God,
And he
that's
hangs down,
Smart kid.
and he sits there and eats upside down. And then he knocks all the food down, and the chipmunks come over and eat all the food on the ground. Yeah, I gotta get in the shower and get ready to go. And I gotta call the sanitation department there, Michelle.
Why? What happened?
Because I gotta call them before noon for them
For
to
what?
pick up that bed frame and the
Bed frame from where? From your bedroom?
and that exercise crap.
Bring that grill here. Hopefully, when you hire people, you can let that grill come in here too. You have to get rid of all the pieces. I really want that grill here. Spend muna time kami bago niya ako iwan. Bago mo ako iwan, dong. Don't leave me. Can you not leave me?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Pagkahimos na lang. Himos man akong baby. You know your himos? Like this. You're such a baby.
Hummus, peanut cracker.
Hummus. Alam nyo, si Tommy, hindi niya gustong umalis because gusto niyang tumitingin sa debate mamayang gabi, 9 o'clock. And there's no TV in the other house, so he's going to use stick hand.
This has to be washed.
What stick, honey? Apple stick?
See the little shit in there?
Oh, yo, you have to wash
This is
it.
all
It's a
bottled.
whole-
This is all bottled water. You look. Yeah.
So, Han, What is that? What are you gonna use to watch a TV?
Fire stick.
Fire stick. So he's going to take a shower. I am. Oh my God! Hubs is still here. Hubs is still here.
There's no divide. A lot of these children, their dreams, I want to give these children a fighting chance.
Just I love you. Uy, you're so spoiled. And kailangan kong bumili ng lampshade. Lampshade para sa dyan sa gilid. Hindi naman kamahalan yung mga lampshade na mga pang-decorative lang. Hindi naman siya mahal. Nasa mga ano lang. So, ano lang talaga, kailangan lang maghanap ng magandang lampshade. Maghanap lang talaga ng lampshade para dito sa dalawang table na yan. Kasi walang laman. And also, frame over there something. Edit lang ako guys ha. Ang dilim ng panahon. I need to put light over here. Kain kami ng lunch guys. Tapusin ko lang tong sabaw na manok. You know there is the chipmunks outside, honey. It's in the garden. Keep saying this. Make Roxy crazy. And they just keep back and forth, back and forth.
I had a mouth trapped in between those threads finally. Couldn't get Roxy to leave, so I stuck a stick in there.
I love you. Han, this is not good feeling, baby. Ako na mag-isa, guys. Ito lang to yung, palibot-libot lang kami dito sa bahay, ha, pero nakakasad. What's in your phone? Chargers.
Lock for this.
Oh, you don't have none? Hey, did you deposit this thing?
What thing?
The work thing? You got?
That's what I'm at. Don't lose that because I gotta make sure they give me the rest of it.
Hi, it's been raining guys and we don't cut our grass. Oh, okay honey, say bye-bye na kay Kasampen.
Bye guys.
I'll see you guys when I go over there. What is this wire now too? Say bye-bye to Dada. They're over here.
I'm just checking to see if nobody's out here.
I'm going to FaceTime you, huh? Han?
Yeah, not during the day.
So, seriously, Han? Excuse me, Han. I need to talk to you. Look at that. He cannot talk to me. For some reason, probably he's gonna stay in other people's house. Not to me here. Well, I will call you 9:30. 9 or 9:30.
I'm base 9 to 11.
No, I need to talk to you, love. Han, I need to FaceTime.
Call me 8. Why? You just want to be a scutch. You want to sit there, oh, you know, let me call in.
Look, can you just see, did you hear that, guys? 9 to 11. I don't know where his plan with 9-11. Maybe he's
Yeah, you don't
going.
know my plan.
He's probably. Halahan, can you call the kids? Huh?
So annoying. I can't find this.
Hold my hand, darling. Hold, I miss you, darling.
It's just frustrating. You know, I lose my mind so badly.
I miss you. Bring that money. Bring that money. Put it in the wallet.
Put it in the bowl.
I'll put it in my pocket. A wallet maybe just to have money in my. I don't have money in my wallet, guys. Okay, guys. Umalis na si Tommy and ako naman. I'm going upstairs kasi kailangan kong. Kanina pa siya and. Do you wanna come up? Come up here. Okay, let's go. So, kailangan kong mag-ihang yung mga damit ko. Kasi may mga damit ako na, you know, galing sa baba. Hindi ko nihinang. Itong mga bag ko. Kasi may bag ako guys na hindi ko na siya nagagamit talaga. So, hindi ko alam kung alin, kung saan ko to gagamitin. I think nakita na ninyo ito. Ito yung pinakauna kong bag ng... Tingnan natin kung okay pa ba. Kasi ilang years na ito hindi ko nagamit. At hindi ko nakita. Ito. Maganda naman siya guys. Kaso lang malaki. Hindi na uso ngayon. Di ba uso noon yung mga malalaking bag? So, yun. Yun. Ito yung bag ko. Wala, may ano pa pala dito. Kailangan lang siyang lagyan ng mga parang box dito ba? Para to support sa butt area. Ito siya, Michael Kors. Ito yung pinakauna kong Michael Kors na bag. Dalawa lang naman ng bag ko na na Michael Kors. Wala na kasi hindi ako mahilig, di ba? So sabi ko, oy, uuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Kaya, when was it? Sabi ko, uuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Gusto ko ng bag na malaki at saka laptop. Kasi dito yung laptop, guys, look. At saka may compartment sa gitna, look. Look. So sabi ko, kasya dito yung iPad. And then laptop, sabi ko, bibilhin ko nga ito. Kasi yung Mac ko, kasyang-kasya talaga siya dito, guys, as in. Yun, kasyang-kasya siya dito. Ang laki kasi niya. And then yun. Malaki. Yun. Ibalik natin ito sa bag niya para hindi siya masira. At saka itong bag na to is online ko to in-order, just fab. Sus guys, ang gandang bag na ito. Malaki din guys. Sobrang strong. And maraming nagkagusto sa bag na ito. Kasi dala-dala ko to sa sa hospital. Nung na hospital si Tami. And kailangan ko lang silang i-ano kasi may mga papel dito. Kailangan kong ayusin kasi may mga importanteng bagage yan.
1 hour later.
Sus, kanina, naghanap ako ng camera. Sabi ko, asan na yung camera ko? Hindi ko na makikita. Sabi ko, andito pala sa taas. Bumaba ako, hindi ko tinapos yung ano ko doon sa taas. Naghahang ako ng mga damit ko sa closet. Hindi ko tinapos. Kasi bumaba ako dito. Nag-continue ako, nakalimutan ko kasi yung thumbnail. And it's already 7 o'clock na pala ng gabi. 7:20 na. Nakalimutan kong kumain. Sabi ko, kain nga tayo. So, nag-FaceTime kami kanina ni Tami. Pinakita niya sa akin na may TV siya. Yung Fire Stick lang yung gamit niya. Buti na lang. Meron kang TV dyan. Makapanood siya ng ano. Habs! Makapanood siya ng debate. Roxy, come here. Misty. Here's your night-night treats. Here's yours. Here's yours, baby. So, anyway guys, i-end ko na tong vlog. It is crazy. Because this debate. Oh, goodness. Okay, sa bed tayo manood. Anyway guys, i-end ko na to guys. Kasi I'm just going to watch this debate. It's just kind of like funny kind of na.
Worked on this in a way that he's going to be the first president of the United States to leave office having fewer jobs in his administration than when he became president.